The next, we are going to learn about the grammar of KUSENI. The grammar of KUSENI is mean and yet or thought, despite the fact that something. And yet or thought, despite the fact that something. In Japanese, you can use the grammar of KUSENI with the verb in dictionary form and the noun and the non-adjective, adjective. But when you use the noun, you can after noun you should put no and followed by KUSENI. And for non-adjective, you can use after na. If after adjective should end by na and KUSENI, something like this. And for adjective, nothing changed, just use in their form. For example, muzukashi kuseni, right? So the next, we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of kuseni, which means and yet or thought, something like this. For example, 背が高いくせに速く走れない。背が高いくせに速く走れない。Which means, despite being tall, he cannot run fast. Despite being tall, he cannot run fast. The next example, 元気なくせに病気のふりをしている。元気なくせに病気のふりをしている。Which means, although he is healthy, he is pretending to be sick. Although he is healthy, he is pretending to be sick. And for the first sentence, there you see that they will use kuseni with the adjective, right? In here, our adjective is takai. Takai is mean tall, right? Tall is mean takai. So when you use the adjective, nothing change. Takai kuseni hayaku hashirenai, right? And for the second sentence, they use the na adjective. Genki na kuseni, right? Genki na kuseni byuki no furi o shiteiru, right? That means, although he is healthy, he is pretending to be sick, something like this. The next example, Isha demo nai kuseni. Isha demo nai kuseni, which means you aren't even a doctor, so don't act like you are one. Something like this. You aren't even a doctor, so don't act like you are one. Isha demo nai kuseni. 彼女はお金持ちのくせにケチだ。彼女はお金持ちのくせにケチだ。Which means, although she is rich, she is very frugal with her money. Although she is rich, she is very frugal with her money. You see that, and for the first sentence, they use the knife form, right? Knife form. Demo nai kuseni. That means you are even a doctor. And for the second sentence, they use the okanemochi. Okanemochi is being rich, right? Rich person. But okanemochi is noun, so you can use with the kuse by put the no between the kanemochi and kuseni, right? So you can say okanemochi no kuseni kechi da, something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of kuseni. This means or thought and yet, something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning grammar in Japanese next video clip. ありがとうございました。